Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a PDF scanner app. First, download a reliable PDF scanner app from your device's app store. Popular options include Adobe Scan, Microsoft Lens, and Cam Scanner. These apps turn your smartphone into a portable document scanner, allowing you to digitize important papers quickly and efficiently. It's a convenient way to manage your documents on the go. To scan, open your chosen app and tap the camera icon. Place your document on a flat surface with good lighting to avoid shadows. Hold your phone directly over the document, ensuring all four corners are visible. Most apps automatically detect the document's edges and take a picture. If not, you can manually capture it and adjust the boundaries yourself, ensuring a clean scan. After scanning, you'll have options to refine your document. First, review the image to ensure it's clear and readable. You can crop the scan to remove any unnecessary background, making the document look professional. Many apps allow you to adjust brightness and contrast or apply filters to enhance text. You can also add more pages to your scan, creating a multi-page PDF from several individual images. Once satisfied, save your document as a PDF. Give it a descriptive name for easy retrieval later. Most apps offer options to save directly to your device, cloud services like Google Drive or Dropbox, or even email it. You can also share it through messaging apps. Many advanced apps include optical character recognition, or OCR, which converts the image text into searchable and editable text, adding great utility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.